today I will show you how to make kimchi viola. I call viola in Italian language means purple because it's also the color of my city, Florence. So yeah, we start with the red cabbage, normal red cabbage. We take a little bit the part on the bottom, and when the first leaf is a little bit old like this, we take out. Otherwise, when they ferment it, they go dark and brown, like the picture you sent to me. Yeah, when it's dry or when it's older, they do that effect. So we take out this. For example, they have a little bit chunk or punch. So we take out this and we start. I cut the cabbage in two parts, like this. Yeah? And second step, I take out the central part of the bottom, this, yeah? And I keep apart. I don't throw in the bin, I will use it in the second time. And now what is the cut? The cut should be piece, square piece, like this. Huh? So how we cut? We cut slice like this, and we have the sides. Yeah. And now we do this. Here we have the cabbage open. We take a bowl and this is the result. Biggest, smaller, yeah, from this to this. So where here is more slim, we can cut a little bit bigger. Yeah. Here when is more thick, we can cut a little bit short. Yeah. To have when is bigger like this and thin like that. Yeah. The bottom we slice like that and like this. To have that result. Yeah. Show this as well. If you have a question about the cut, you can talk. And this is one cabbage. We can add slowly when we cut a little bit salt and put the cabbage on top.
Do you use regular salt?
Yes, white salt. I use black salt for the mayonnaise, but for the kimchi normal white salt. Now this part, I won't use all of them, so I cut the angle here to take a piece like this make a little bit smaller, and I slice this and I cut in small pieces like this. Yeah. So I have a small piece like this. Yeah, salt. And mix. When you mix, do this, take out, because cabbage, they have this shape, is one stick to the other. So open it and give the possibility to the salt to go inside and make all the cabbage soft.
The salt is to make it soft, not to dry it?
The salt is to make the cabbage soft and to release the water. So this is the cabbage already cut now, and you see it's crunchy. Yeah, and if you do this, but this is the cabbage from yesterday, and you can bend without breaking. Yeah. And now we will see what's happened from yesterday to today. So we mix with the salt and we leave on the side.
For how long?
Minimum 8 hours. Yeah. Better overnight. Yeah. This is you need to do this job. Take, open, and give the possibility to the salt to go inside. You can do mix with the salt now, leave a few hours, and after mix again, because in few hours they come soft and it's more easy to open the piece. Yeah, like that. Now it's stick together. Yeah. Right, so this is the result. You do the same, no?
Mine were much smaller. After I cut it, I also went in and chop it.
Ah, you chop it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. But it's still crunchy, so it's okay. But the risk when you cut too smaller, the salt they go inside more, and the fiber they go destroy, and they come like mushy. Yeah. Okay, we leave apart until tomorrow. And now we have the cabbage cut from yesterday, which is this, soft. Yeah. So now we take out the water, because the cabbage, they release the water, not too much. The red cabbage and the white cabbage doesn't have a lot of water inside, but some. Yeah.
And I just want to confirm you don't put it in the fridge overnight after you salt it. You leave it out, right?
Yeah. Outside for overnight, and yeah. Nothing to do. Mix with salt and leave there. Sides. Okay. So let it squeeze. This is the water. What do you do with the water? Nothing. Throw in the bin.
No.
Yeah, or in the sink, because it's salty water. So if you get the plant, you kill the plant. If you can, I don't know, nothing. Yeah. Make a pediluvio. Yeah, could be. Okay, and now we make the cream to mix with kimchi. We do 2 cream, but today we cut one process. Okay, one process is cook the rice powder with water and make thick. But today we don't do that. We make the rice flour straight away raw. So the ingredient is simple: is garlic, ginger, and ginger they have skin because it's good. Capers and rosemary because this kimchi have rosemary inside, and melon, the yellow melon. And I want the question: why use melon?
Why melon?
Yes, because normally I do 30 or 40 or 50 kilo of cabbage. And what I need to make the lactobacillus is sugar and flour. So flour I am from rice flour, but sugar I need from the fruit. If I need to peel it, apple, I stay one day to peel and clean apple. Melon, it's easy because it's big amount and it's very sweet. So I use melon for this reason, but you can use other fruit.
Is it apple you used to use?
You can use apple, you can use pear. So melon, ginger, garlic, capers, and rosemary. Yes. Thank you. And now we blend together. Okay, now I show you what is the result. It's just a blender. You can do more thin or more thickness, doesn't change much the result. Here we have a lady who's allergic to garlic and onion. You can do the same without garlic. Yeah, the test should be different because you miss one ingredient, but the result is the same because we already tried and they work. So you can do without garlic. So now the process it was take a rice flour, water, and cook the flour. We can do without. So we take the flour straight away in the cabbage. So we take flour, the rice flour. So now we add the cream, the melon paste. Yeah. And we mix. Smell good. You do this process?
I was purple.
Huh?
I was purple.
Yeah. Yeah. It's better if you use gloves. Otherwise, one day is enough to leave the purple from your hand.
Well, I don't work at Vegan Yes. So you do this every day.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Smells good.
Yeah, you feel the smell?
Yeah, I suggest you test it. This is not yet fermented. So you already test our fermented viola kimchi. So you can test the differences.
Yeah, you can start from now to taste your creation until when it's ready. Now they test cabbage and mixture you put inside. Yeah. Tomorrow they will change again, and after tomorrow again. Yeah. Done? Now you need to just wait. And with this weather, maybe 2 days, 1.5, it's ready. So Thursday morning, 100% ready.
It's better fermented.
Yeah? It's better fermented, yes.
No.
Now it's cabbage, garlic, ginger,
No.
and it's just raw cabbage with some spice, and that's it. Yeah, when it's fermented, they change completely. So now we do a mayonnaise.
Oh, amazing.
See, yes. Okay, and we do kimchi mayo. So we put the ingredient, kimchi, already fermented. This amount of mayonnaise is the double quantity of the book. Mayonnaise, salt. Do you know black salt? No. Salt, black salt, black salt, black salt, black salt. Okay. Black salt is sulfur salt from India. They have sulfur taste. They have eggy taste. So for the mayonnaise it's perfect because mayonnaise normally is made with egg. So yeah. Put salt. I use my old kombucha instead of vinegar because I have kombucha and when they go over fermented is vinegary. So I use kombucha instead of vinegar, but it's the same. You can use vinegar. Oil.
What type?
Sunflower.
And then
And soya milk unsweetened.
what is that?
Soya milk
Soy milk.
unsweetened.
Unsweetened.
Unsweetened. Unsweetened.
Have you tried it with other milk?
No, but you can, and let me know. Mayonnaise. Who make mayonnaise and not vegan at home? No vegan mayonnaise. No vegan. Vegan. Okay. Vegan. It's no vegan is problem. Okay, so go inside. Yeah? Done?
That's it.
That's it.
Easy.
Yeah? It's easy, no? You have kimchi at home, so you can do it yourself.